Everyone, welcome to my first rock tumbling video. I did do some rock tumbling in the unboxing video of the Lortone tumbler. So these are the same rocks, and so now these rocks have now been tumbling for 2 weeks in stage 1. So let's speed up the video and get to showing what the rocks look like after 2 weeks in stage 1. So if you haven't seen my unboxing video of the Lortone tumbler, the rocks that I did get were a pound of Botswana, a pound of Mexican lace, a pound of mixed rocks, and a pound of rose quartz. I got the Botswana and Mexican lace because I saw Michigan Rocks show off some tumbled rocks from there. I just thought they were really beautiful and pretty, and I just had to have some. So, I mean, the Botswana were a little bit expensive, but since you can't really get them anymore raw, I thought why not get them for this one time. And they seem to be tumbling so far okay. The Mexican lace I am a little bit disappointed with though. Regardless, they are still pretty, so let's see what these rocks look like. So I'm going to be taking out a couple rocks from the tumbler. This one, it's a full nodule for the Botswana Agate, and this eye has appeared. I don't think it was there last time. But it's got some cracks in it, but it looks like they run kind of deep, so I think we're just going to take it out. I'm going to take out this one too. It's got that giant pocket in there, and that would just tumble all away, so I'll put that in for the next stage. This is Crazy Lace, I think, and it's got that nice big bump in there, so it's got some nice bands, so I don't want to tumble it all away. So I'll move that on to the second stage too. This would also tumble away. This I might not even tumble that any further. Bunch of the rose quartz. This is the amethyst that came with it, but a bunch of the rose quartz look like this, so that's back in its tumbling. This will go back in for another week. This one, yeah, definitely go back in for another week. I guess technically, nah, definitely not tumbled out for another week actually. This one's pretty nice. It's got some, it's not very rounded off, but then it's also got this quartz pocket in it. So, you know, what am I going to do with that? I like it, but it's not as smooth as I would like it to be already. This has got a nice sparkle to it, so I'm just going to put it back in there, I guess. I'm thinking I'm just going to take this one out too. I guess I'll go one more week for it. I'm not sure what kind this one is. It looks like Botswana, but it came in the mixed pack. Maybe it is Botswana, but I don't think it was like that last week. So I'm going to put that back in there. Put that one back in there too. So yeah, so this is what most of the rose quartz look like. It's got, that one's got a big hole in it, so I guess it's got a long way to go still. Here is my favorite looking Mexican Crazy Lace. The whole thing's just got that crazy banding on it. It's insane. I'm gonna try and be really patient with this one. This one could be a real gem. Oh, it's got some jersey right there. Might tumble that out because so I got most of the all the Botswana and Crazy Lace now fits in just one tumbler. I have no idea where this piece came. That's all rough. That came out. That was something connected to something else, but it was in this batch. All right, so this barrel is about 2/3 full. Let's get some ceramic media in there to cushion some of the tumbling. I've had some bad experience with the rocks crashing into each other and causing fractures, so I'm hoping that the ceramic really helps out with that. The tumbler with the rose quartz and mixed bag is only about halfway, so I'm gonna add in these. This, I put in one for last week. It's just like a really dark purple. I'm not sure how that's gonna turn out. I feel like it would tumble all away, but we're gonna give it a try. Just a piece of chalcedony. That has a bunch of shattered like quartz. They're like not even terminated anymore, so it's okay if that goes in. And I think I'm trying to get better at with tumbling is not overstuffing the barrel. I tend to do that a lot, so I'm trying to see which one I should take out, and the one I take out is just some red and green piece that I'm not really even sure what it is, and it doesn't seem to tumble up great so far, so I'm just going to take that one out. Let's get some water in these bad boys and get back on the tumbler. So after the third week of tumbling, I'm going to be taking these guys out because they're just getting really small and I don't really want to lose them, and either they're really pitted like that, so I'll take a close look at those in a second. Update on this one. That's tumbling actually pretty nice. I think this one will turn out really good. So I'll put that one back in, and here's this like super deep reddish purple from the last week that I put in. As you can see, the barrels, one with a rose quartz and mixed bag is about, I don't know, I guess a little more than half, and then we got the Botswana and Crazy Lace, a little under half. So I'm going to try and figure out what I'm going to put in those. So I'll come back to you when I got those figured out. Okay, so these are the rocks for me adding. I'm going to be adding this giant piece of quartz into the one with Botswana and Crazy Lace. This one's pretty interesting. I'm wondering how this goes. I have no idea if that black banding is all the way through now, so I'll be interested if that comes off. This one is, I'm not sure what it is, but it's like pudding stone-esque like. And I think this is just a piece of jasper that came with the rocks I bought from the rock shed, but it's a weird piece. Here we got some interesting conglomerate of, I don't know. Another piece of something. This is just a piece of quartz, or really boring piece of quartz. Here's a more clear piece of quartz. It's also going to go in. And this is like jasper maybe with some quartz inclusions. So that's what's going to go in those barrels. So here are a couple of the ones I'm taking out of stage one. This one has some nice banding going on, and it's getting kind of small, and it's got a big jersey pocket in there, so Just gonna take it out. I'll put it back in for stage 2. This one has some really nice banding going on over here, and it's getting quite thin though on that edge. So I just decided to take it out. I mean, it still turned out pretty nice, I think. This one has a bunch of those like pockets in there, and I don't think they'll ever really come out. But it's got nice colors in it. I'm gonna try and put it in stage 2 and clean it out real good. Make sure no grits in it. This one has some nice color in it as well, and with the banding. But I just don't think that dip's gonna take too much to come out, so it'll be fine like this. This one has a pretty nice banding, but it's getting so small. It has nice bands on it, and it's got some eyes, but definitely not smooth at all. It's got those pockets in there. So hopefully these turn out okay when I tumble them up. Maybe I'll just do them myself. I'm not really sure yet. So that's gonna do it for this tumbling video. I already have the next 2 weeks of tumbling filmed, so those will be coming out soon. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I will be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway once you reach 100 subs.